Tangarodo, Lotarje, Doshin, Condo, Dashi to be was some years.
So now it is the time for us, for our every year, the retreat, starting with the Ngwanto, that the retreat for 1 month practice.
Siongi, Dashi, Dawatinoni, Ngwanto to the Chaton, Doro, take it, Dashi, take it.
So this it is known as like a 1 month retreat, which means that starting Ngwanto practices and teachings and so forth, that which we try to complete everything within a month. So this retreat has been a very specific tradition in the Peyul lineage and Peyul practice that which has been started about 400 years before without breaking its lineage and transmission. So within this period of 1 month, that where it goes through the whole complete teaching, instruction, and sense of experiencing about the practice, not necessarily that you have completed Ngwanto or other practice, and that is why the instruction goes through every detail about refuge, bodhicitta, and so forth.
Ngwanto Tabat Gendam Bayana, Ngwanto Maso Pardo, Tabat human of regular matters.
So, like in our monastery, those monks, until they finish the Ngwanto accumulation, till to that they are even not considered as the actual monks of the temple.
Ngwanto Tone, Chu Kare now, but
So as one received the Ngwanto teachings, then from that onward, it is the just a sense of permission that oneself engage into these Dharma practices. So here also, we are having this 1 month retreat where we try to mainly concentrate on the Ngwanto, try to just go through the complete teaching. So through that, we having a actual beginning of our Dharma practices, and also that we get trained how to do all these Ngwanto preliminary practices. So after receiving this Ngwanto teaching, then of course in the future you have to continue to practice, and not only that, if you have just time, then that oneself having a actual Dhamma practice that which one can continuously do it. So as we are wandering within these 3 cycles of the samsaric life, where there is so much of suffering as we know and as we experience, so to liberate out of such kind of suffering, then it is the only way through the Dharma practice, Other than that, whatsoever worldly fame and so forth we may gain, not necessarily it will really benefit us.
최진 어느용 다당 가서 현류한테 도바침 비추레스 chen dendete toya memen goya mengen daji rendures.
So among all the Dharma teachings, that which is most highest and direct is the Dzogchen, which is the great perfection, and such kind of teaching instructions are not necessarily it is just easy to receive. It is very rare. So having this opportunity, one should to take advantage.
Tibaramba gusere, tibaramba jepo menchele, dratanya madravati, tupachimi chuderet.
So within the Nyingma tradition, there is the 9 yanas or the 9 vehicles in which the Dzogchen or the Adiyoga teachings are not even slightest of its meaning are taught within the just below the 8 yanas.
Yenda sanjiji, lo chome batile, nyamne sheni, par rumbagindeya, sonjiji kohun drugurwas.
So according to general Dharma practice like Sutrayana, that where one need to engage into Dharma practices like countless lifetimes, and through that one could have the liberation.
Tuba chimbola rumba mambo chiri, ena da tuba chimbo karanji geni nyansulena, konzo ramma chiyona, se chigi sonji kohun chi nyansulena dretu kuyeres.
So within the Dzogchen also there are certain levels or categories, but somehow who is the highest level of mind and who is really capable about to understand the path of liberation, then where there is the possibility of having that liberation within one lifetime. So in case even we receive the Dzogchen teachings, but if we don't engage into the practice, of course, then the enlightenment or liberation is not necessarily achieved, but at least we receive that blessing. So right now that where we have been going through the retreat time about the Ngendo, the 4 foundation practices, and then the Tsalung, and then the Dzogchen Tegel teachings, these all teachings are of course from the Dzogchen, that which is directly transmitted from the Dharmakaya Buddha Samanbhatra. So there is no any question about that whether there is the blessing or the power of all such kind of Dharma teachings. So, but still, if one could not engage into practice properly or in a sense, with the continuity, then of course one cannot have that result. As for example, even we have food, a delicious food in front of us, but if we don't eat it, then we could not get rid of the hunger. So it is similar like that, important to engage into the practice. Other examples that instance, if one have a wish fulfilling gem and then we put it under the pillow, and then just sleep on it, but we never do, any kind of prayer, then of course we never get any kind of benefit or doesn't fulfill wishes. It is just merely a stone.
자간네 장송의 노르랜드 유튜브 captainale 그런 순간 뒤로 그런 trouble 코니 장송의 노르랜드 빼마다 15야 보자버렸어.
So long time back in India, that people, they used to go to ocean, the merchants, to find wish fulfilling gems, and then there one with the friend, they went and then they found it, and they have been just lived for happily.
코니 열소소치 뉴스를 소소소소소네 이게 너로 주신 라게 빼마다 15야 보자버렸어.
So both these two persons that they lived in different places, and because of the blessing of that wish fulfilling gem, they have a very good life and very prosperous in their place.
근데 거기 수반지대 계속 말했어. 대신에 너부 열에데 너부 배세 마히네 대통보 잡아랬어.
So then after some time, that one that merchant just passed away, but still that not understanding or not knowing that having the wish fulfilling gem, and then just the family become like poor.
근데 통보 차례 여론반 본볼 소모 홍시 송도 말했어.
So then that family become very poor, and then they went to many places just begging for foods.
거기 건지 송반되지 줘보 비고하네 고토세 말았어.
And then they just finally got to that their father's friend and that merchant house.
되게 뭐하네. 아 가르래서 저도 이게 좀 너부여가 가르래서 나도 송반 중송 이 너부는 가면도 저대 다시 세서 대 만원도 도면 놓는 그게스 어디는 게.
So then that merchant that said, "Oh, why you all just begging? Just your father has that wish fulfilling gem." And so then they said, just the merchant passed away, and then all the wealth, everything got exhausted. So we become very poor. So that is why we are just begging around.
되게 되니까 맨이 잘라 가는 뉴스지. 난 공을 가는 도공을 진주를 말을 이게 좀 뉴스라 그래서.
So then the merchant asked the family that now what things left in your house. So they said, we didn't have anything else, just like a piece of stone under the just pillow.
저런도 좀 그거 말에 판로세. 그 파트에서 노는 로데 공을 가지 도공고데 이기는 오버레데스.
So then he told them that you don't have to just beg, you just go back to home, and then told that this is the that the piece of the stone is actually that it is the wish fulfilling gem.
Do the par true Thomas le shara story that kamanogi yashupo chavares.
So then as with the merchant and family went back, and then they just clean up the stone and do all sorts of ceremony for purification, and then according to that they did the aspiration prayers, and through which then they got everything, and then again they become just rich as before.
나로서 롱어서도 질라 남신지 성지지 엔데지 탐지지를 여기 맞으랬어.
So similar like that, we within ourselves we have all the qualities of the enlightened mind.
옛날에 인생지 도박에 르 거리 전몽이 뛰네. 성원도 맞으네. 담아봐 hindu 그랬어.
But then we are just being so much conceptualized with the dualistic thoughts, and then being just attached to all this worldly activity, and through which that we get obscured, and we could not experience or realize our own pure nature.
대인데 상제지 남신지 연대데 라노서도 질러 열에마도 신이 체는 그 말이지 얘는 탈락해 봐 라마라서 봐 때네 롱기 레드 단지 바로 답하시니 얘는 남신지 얘기도 들은 것도 적으로 왔어.
That all the enlightened quality that as our pure nature or primordial nature, which is within ourselves, so we don't have to look outside anywhere else, but still as a condition where one need to follow a qualified master and then receive all this teaching, instruction, and then according to that, which become a path of method through which one can, purify and then experience that true nature.
최용 도바지도 라마 게이시니 용 도바데야데 라노서도 랭게레마도 최 냐도 레도면데 라노서도 라레마도 수til에 라레마.
So just finding out the, just a perfect master with the receiving the perfect teaching, and then it is completely depend upon one's own self, whether, one could engage into the practice or not. And without that doing the practice, then not necessarily one could have that result.
라마도 칠레 이제에 빠지게네 공 숨바지 네 임바지 산도 동기르마도 내가 중단하지 산도 마토마도 대판도 말.
So that's why it is important to have some sense of belief and faith to the master, and then all this teaching, just understanding these are just authentic teachings, and then according to that, if one follow, then there is the benefit. Otherwise, if one think it is like a story or some sort of just only kind of expression, then one will not get any benefit.
저는 로동사 지레노래 뒤에 대나지 깔에 이치에 바치도 대바미기가 잠시 최녀슬네 가세트 들어왔던데 가세트 그런데 집이 가는 트레이닝 유도 나로도 대나 이치에 매바지로 최지도 나고 카코나 되는 마도 니 타바네 아버지 좀 마트가 되네 다른 거를 참도 열어.
So all these Vajrayana or the Dzogchen teachings that which has been taught by Guru Padmasambhava more than 1,000 years before, and then according to that in the past there are whole bunch of practitioners who just followed exactly according to the instruction, and there are just countless of them who obtain all those realization and then obtain the Vidyadhara stage and so forth, having that realization. So here we also just in a way just have to follow in that way. Otherwise, just only kind of like receiving and then not really following it properly and not engaging in practice, and just only kind of like only hearing the words, then not necessarily one can get the benefit. So here, just having this established the 1 month retreat, and then been invited all the dedicated students here, and then where we go through all these teachings and instruction is mainly focus on that how we can achieve the ultimate happiness, such as enlightenment and the liberation. That is the whole complete purpose. Other than that, we don't have any other options. So that all these teaching instructions try to understand properly and contemplate, and then engage into practice. Don't think that these are just only a kind of expression or like, kind of deceiving and, something like a, kind of fairy tale story, not to think in that way, and then try to have that sense of faith, devotion, and then according to that one try to follow and engage into the practice. So then all the rest of teachings will continue with the Khenpo. So I'm not feeling just kind of physically not so.
Oh yeah,
So then all the teachings will be carried out.
Oh yeah, sonam de don't you the bani don't shaken not you are on se be so then. Oh yeah.